Hey cuties, this is Ashley of CoolCalmandCrawford and welcome to a Sunday reset. Typically we start off with a little bit of breakfast and my daughter loves to sit at the island with me and eat, and we just enjoy ourselves while we watch a little bit of YouTube, and she of course is watching YouTube Kids on her end. But I'm just going to scroll on my phone a little bit, make sure I finish up my breakfast, and once I'm done, I'll tidy up my daughter's hair so that then we can get ready to start our day. And she's gotten a lot better with getting her hair done, guys, because before it used to be a wreck, okay? The next thing we'll generally do is go to Walmart or any of the other stores that we may need to go to if we have any errands to run. This particular Sunday, we had to go to Walmart to pick up some office furniture for an office that we are currently leasing. So we have made it on over to the office, and this is currently what it looks like right now. What we went to go pick up at Walmart actually was that small table there that the refrigerator is sitting on top of, and I'm just panning around to show you the rest. And this is when my husband actually put the table together. It wasn't very much to do, but it was so nice to go on over and just enjoy some time with the family. You see Mel having a good time. And my dad also came this particular Sunday just to chill with us and help us clean up a little bit and just kick off the cool vibes in the office. The next thing we'll generally do on Sundays, just to reset fresh for the week, is to head on over to my mom and dad's house and enjoy some Sunday dinner with them. My mom loves cooking and they love having their grandbaby over every Sunday. As you can see, Mel makes herself at home by doing whatever she pleases to do at their house, but she's just doing a little activity right now, coloring and having a really good time. The next thing I'll generally do on Sundays is come home and go ahead and make up my bed with fresh sheets and everything so we can start off the week really nice and fresh. So as you'll see here, I'm just putting on, what is the name of this sheet, guys? I never know, but I'm just gonna put that sheet on there, and then we're gonna get ready to throw our nice comforter on there that just came right out of the dryer. Now here's the part I get excited for, a nice bubble bath. There is nothing like a nice bubble bath with candles lit to get you ready for a brand new week. And y'all can't forget, I always gotta watch me some good old YouTube just to reset and get ready for the week ahead. And when I'm done with my bath time, I like to go ahead and do my face routine. I bought a lot of these products from Ulta and they do work very well. The thing is, you do have to be consistent if you do want to see results with them. But I do love the products. If you want to know exactly what they are, just comment down below and I will add in the comments what I used from Ulta on my face. You can also comment down below and let me know if you have a particular skincare routine that you do, and if you have products that are working for you, especially for those dark spots. Let me know down in the comments what is it that you use. And now that we're all done, I'm just gonna get ready for bed. So make sure you guys hit that like button and the subscribe button and the notification bell. Stay cool, Calm and Crawford, and we'll see you next time.